What's up everyone, Johnny Rowe Cooks. You're in my cupboard right now, and today we're gonna make Japanese IZAKAYA style fried chicken. The Japanese use chicken thighs for this dish, and it marinates in this subtle gingery, garlicky, soy saucy, sake, mirin sauce that we're gonna make. We're gonna marinate it for about 30 minutes, and then you just simply fry it up, and you'll get this awesome dish. What's it called?
Tori no Karaage.
What does Tori no Karaage mean?
Tori means chicken. Karaage is like deep fried.
That's enough chatter. Let's show you how it's done. So here we have some skin-on boneless thigh meat that we've cut into 2.5 to 3-inch square pieces. 600 grams of boneless chicken thigh meat right here. Just gonna take my salt here and just give it a nice salting. About half a teaspoon's worth. Let's give this a dash of pepper here. Not too much, that should be good. We're gonna add 4 teaspoons of soy sauce here. Next, we're gonna add 4 teaspoons of mirin. I actually don't have the proper ingredient. I can't find sake actually, cooking sake in my area. You can definitely go for like a Chinese style cooking wine too. That's what I'm using, and it's fine, no problem. So let's put 4 teaspoons of this. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Next, we're gonna use 1 teaspoon of minced ginger here. 1 teaspoon of that going in. All right. Okay, so that's everything that you need for your marinade for chicken karaage. Very easy. So I'm just gonna fondle this a bit and get it nice and mixed together. That smells really nice. Okay, my dudes and dudettes, so this is a very simple step here. All right, 1 cup flour. This is probably gonna be way too much anyways, but the ratio is 1 to 1, okay? And then I'm gonna get a cup of this generic brand cornstarch. Ooh, close enough, 1 to 1. Okay, just give it a nice little mix. Whoa, getting it everywhere. Mix it without getting it everywhere. Here's our marinated chicken that we just brought out, our flour and cornstarch mixture, and got some oil heating up over there. And now I'm just gonna take our pieces of chicken here, and just dip it into this nice starchy flour mixture. Make sure it's nicely coated onto that plate there. Once we've finished coating the chicken in the starch and flour mixture, we're just gonna add it to our hot oil, cook it for a few minutes, and you're done to enjoy, hopefully with a nice glass of beer. When adding your chicken to the oil here, make sure you don't add it all at once, otherwise it's just gonna cool down the oil too fast. So just add the chicken 1 piece at a time. We're simply going to wait and let the oil do the cooking, and it's done when the chicken's cooked all the way through. Throw on some mayonnaise on that side there. There you have it, folks. Japanese izakaya style chicken karaage. This is so good. Look at that. Jealous? Oishii.
はいかさん、いくよ、見て。おいしい。
Good? Does it taste like Like how it tastes in Japan?
日
Like
本
authentic?
の唐揚げと同じような味がするって、それともちょっと違う？
同じ。
Same.
Same. 同じ. She said 同じ. She said 同じ. Good job.
鶏の唐揚げ。
What does Tori no Karaage mean?
Tori means chicken. Karaage is like deep fried.
They're Japanese and they think it's good, okay? So they know it's authentic because they're Japaneses. Tori no Karaage.